good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in, and like always, I hope everybody out there stays safe and healthy. And of course, y'all already know what it is. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Always appreciate you coming through, showing me love. If this is your first time on the channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos, y'all. Trust me, you'll enjoy them. Dope recipes, freestyle cooking, we get it in. Alright, so let's do it. Alright, so today, y'all, we doing some clams, y'all. Y'all see I got clams on the board, and we're going to do some stuffed clams, y'all. Real easy recipe. I was in the mood for it, and actually, I was just about to go in and start making them, but I said, you know what, let me break out the camera, let me share it with my people, you know what I mean, in case y'all want to try this recipe, you know what I mean, or never had it, you know what I mean, we about to get it in, real easy. Alright, let's get it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is when you get your clams, y'all, I got mine clean, I got them scrubbed, you know what I mean. If you see any of your clams open, they're dead, they all should be closed. But when you get them, you want to scrub them clean, soak them in some cold water, do that multiple times just so you can make sure you get all the sand and dirt out of the clams, you feel me? And then you just let them soak in the water for about 10-15 minutes. Or longer. I let mine sit about an hour just to make sure, and I'm good to go. Alright, so we're ready to get it started. Alright, y'all, so the next thing you want to do is you want to cut up some bell pepper, shallots, and celery. You know, dice them up real fine like I got it. Put that to the side. You also want to chop up some fresh garlic and some roughly chopped fresh parsley, y'all. Let's go. Okay, so the next thing is you get your pot. Got my pot out, y'all, ready to go. Got some olive oil. I'm put about a couple of tablespoons in there, maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons. Okay, I'm gonna get this on a medium heat. Alright, so after your oil gets hot, you want to go ahead and first we're gonna go ahead and dump our garlic in there. And I'm gonna just stir this around for about 30 seconds. And you want to keep it on a medium low, because we just want to create enough steam for the clams, and you want to we just want to sweat our vegetables. All right, so we want to keep it low, low heat, so we can sweat the vegetables. We don't really want to saute them. We just want to release some of those flavors and everything going on. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and get my veggies up in there. Y'all, I just love the smell of veggies in the oil. And like I said, y'all, we just want to sweat these, so maybe about a couple of minutes. Now after I done softened up my veggies, next you want to add a cup of white wine, y'all. So I got me some white wine here. Any kind of white wine is good. As long as it's white wine that you would drink, you know what I mean? Doesn't have to be like an expensive bottle. I'm gonna go here and let this cook for another few minutes. Oh yeah, this is smelling so good. Oh my goodness. Alright, now after a few minutes, now you want to go ahead and get your clams in there, y'all. Get your clams in there. Right, and we're going to steam them for like 5 minutes, y'all, until they start opening up. That's what we want to do. We want to get them, when they start opening up, that's when we want to take them out, because we still got to stuff them and bake them, so we don't really want to overcook our clams. So put our top on them. All right, But we're gonna wait for them to do about, like I said, 3 to 5 minutes, or when they start opening, y'all. And remember, whatever clams don't open, they're already dead. Get rid of them. But all your clams should open. Let's do it. Oh yeah, smelling good, smelling good. All right, y'all. It's been about 5 minutes. As you can see, my clams are starting to open up. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. All right. So now I want to just go ahead. You see how they start to open up like that, y'all? You just want to go ahead, take them out so they can cool, y'all. All right. Here we go. Clams is cooled off, as you can see. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. All right. So now the next step we want to do now is we want to go ahead and start removing the meat. Okay. See how chunky that is? Start removing the meat from the clams. Once you get the meat out, you see I got the meat up out the shells. Now I just want to go ahead and finally chop them up, y'all. Feel me? Want to chop them up in smaller pieces. Trust me, y'all. Love this recipe, real easy. You know what I mean? Get it in, y'all. Freestyle cooking. Let's go. Had to share this with y'all, man. I was about to do this and just, you know, tear these clams up, but I had to bring y'all in also. Now I'm going to add another little twist. I got me some crawfish tails, y'all. We're going to add this to our clam meat. Okay, got me some crawfish tails. I'm going to chop these up a little bit more. They're fairly small. And if you don't got none, or you can't find none, you could use some crab meat, y'all. You really can kind of, you know, when it comes to your filling, you can really add whatever you want to add, man, on a seafood tip. Alright, that's good enough like that. I'm going to add that with my clam meat. You know what I mean? A little bit of extra flavor, y'all. Freestyle cooking, man. You know, we always got to have it nice, good, tasty recipe, y'all. Let's do it. Now that I got my meat cut up, okay, I had strained my vegetables from my pot that we cooked the clams in with the juices. I also saved a little bit of the juice, so I'm gonna get the vegetables up there. I saved a little bit of the juice, y'all. We want some of that juice, so I'm gonna pour a little bit of that juice in there. Alright. Also, I got me some parsley. Let's go. Get that in there. Also want to do zest of a lemon. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of breadcrumbs. And next, I'm going to go ahead and squeeze some lemon juice in there, y'all. Alright, be careful not to let the seeds drop in. Got another seed right there. Alright, got that juice up in there. And now I'm going to just go in and incorporate it and mix it all up, y'all. That's what I'm talking about, man. Alright, so we get a nice fine mix. And our filling be done. I'm also going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Alright, just a little bit, not a lot. It's already packed with flavor. But just a little bit, just a pinch of each. And just go ahead and mix that in there real quick. Alright, now we're ready to fill. Now that we're ready to fill, now you want to take your shells. Alright, you see I already did one. I already started on y'all. Did one. Okay, just get a spoon and stuff them, y'all. Feel me? Get the stuffing up on there. There we go. Just like so, y'all. You know, you want to preheat your oven to 400 so we can get it hot while we're stuffing our clams. And you know, you just take them and twist them. That's it, just like that, y'all. Boom. Alright, and fill your clams. I'm going to continue to go on. Preheat your oven to 400. And we almost there, y'all. Let's do it. So there we go, y'all. Got our clam stuff ready to go in the oven. Alright, let's do this, man. So you should have preheated your oven to 400. Ready to go, nice and stuff. And we're going to put them in there for about 15 to 20 minutes. And we right there, y'all, at the finish line, man. Had to share this with y'all, man. I'm about to go in, man. Can't wait. Alright, so let's get it in the oven, y'all. Boom. And there we go, y'all. Got our stuffed clams up out the oven. And make sure when you take them out the oven, man, y'all want to make sure they're cool because the shells can be pretty hot. You feel me? So be careful. But ready to go. Got it on a plate. You know what I'm saying? Garnish it with a little bit of green onion. You know, you can use some parsley, whatever you like to garnish. And you're ready to go, y'all. A little bit of hot sauce. Ready to go in on these. You feel me? What I'm talking about, y'all. Freestyle cooking with streets, man. Stuffed clams. We got that crawfish tail in there, too. With the clam meat. Oh, my goodness. Y'all would love these. Y'all got to try it. So you already know. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all know it's that point now. I'm about to go in on these. So please hit that subscribe, like, share. Hit that notification bell, man, so you can stay up to date with the videos. Comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you tried it. Let me know if you want to try something. You know, holla at me. Talk to me, people. You know. Holla at me. Alright, so until the next time, y'all. Y'all know me. Holla.